paramedic. Are y'all okay? Are they deaf?
Hard of hearing.
Hi, I'm Scott Tucker, Fire Marshal for the City of Marietta, Georgia. We take a lot of things for granted every day. For instance, the ability to hear the sound of a smoke detector. A recent study reported that over 290,000 Georgians are deaf or hard of hearing. This means a significant number of people have difficulty making out the sounds of the high-pitched tones ordinary smoke detectors emit. This puts them at a greater risk in the event of a fire. For this reason, the Marietta Fire Department is taking action to make sure that this important group of citizens has the latest technology and fire protection equipment available to them. As a part of our new program, the Marietta Fire Department is offering a free installation of a Lifetone bedside fire alarm to qualifying citizens. This unique alarm is initiated by the sound of your smoke detector. The Lifetone bedside alarm alerts people in the event of a fire in 3 distinct ways. The Lifetone bedside alarm emits a low tone frequency that has been proven the most effective at waking deaf or hard of hearing people in the event of a fire emergency. The backlit display on the alarm flashes the word fire, which gives another form of sensory stimulation to help people break through the fogginess of sleep. The Lifetone alarm uses a bed shaker, a small clamshell-like device that is placed between the top mattress and the mattress pad. This tactile alarm produces a strong vibration to awaken sleeping occupants. City of Marietta citizens who qualify for this program will receive a free home fire safety inspection and information on safety tips for fire prevention. A firefighter will also install and demonstrate your new Lifetone bedside alarm. Remember, the Lifetone bedside alarm must be used in conjunction with the working smoke detector. As part of our program, we will install a new 9-volt lithium battery in your smoke detector. If you do not have a smoke detector, one will be installed at no charge. To see if you or someone you know qualifies for a free Lifetone alarm, you may fill out a questionnaire online at www.mariettagav.gov/fire or email us at homesafety@mariettagav.gov and a questionnaire will be mailed to your address.